Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to humanize your AI text with Write Naturally AI in 2026. Now, if your AI generated writing sounds robotic or too predictable, this tool transforms it into the natural, conversational, and human style content instantly. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on the official website of writenaturally.com. Over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply sign in with the help of your email address so that you could get the 500 worth of credits absolutely free. So once you come here and when you look at this particular box, you need to paste any of the texts that you have created using ChatGPT or another AI tool. For the sake of this video, I have this paragraph from ChatGPT. So I'm going to copy it from here, then come on writenaturallyai.com. Then if I paste this particular paragraph here, just like so, on the top you will see some of the modes, like we have standard. In the style we have casual, professional, natural, and academic. So you just have to choose any of one of these. For the sake of this video, I want it to be casual, but if you want it to be neutral or professional or academic based on the type of content that you want it to create, you just have to select that particular tab. Here in the mode itself, you can either select it as standard or extreme. Here we have the multi-style advantage, and then we have the single style competitors. So you can select these two as well. So once you have done it, simply click on the option of Humanize in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now wait for some time until it shows you your texts side by side, just like so. So this is the text that I have added, and this is the text that it has given me. So you can read it, and according to it, it is 100% human written. After reading it, if you find it good, simply copy the results, and now you can use this in your blog post or wherever you want it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.